Hello, welcome to the box room. David Bradley here. I'm playing again on this Commodore 64 and a joystick, trying to see if there's any games that I might actually be good at. It hasn't gone well so far. I think the last one was Hexalon. Fire Lords. You control Sir Galahart on a quest to recover the 4 enchanted crystals that lead to eternal youth. You must travel the land, avoiding or defeating ghosts while trading for objects you need to complete your goals. Move Sir Galahad by pushing the joystick up, down, left, or right. Avoid the ghosts that will drain your health. Collect energy crystals to build power. You can shoot the ghosts with the left fire button. When you enter buildings, you may be able to barter. Select the product or service you want to buy with the joystick and left fire button. Then select between 1 and 4 objects you have that you wish to trade. If the offer is accepted, a new symbol pops up. Select the new icon and push the left fire button to accept. Push button A to abort the game. Push the right fire button to pause. Alright. Fire Lord. Let's see here. Sinister music. Nothing like a little sinister music. I'm assuming, although I do like this music, I'm assuming I need to press the fire button. Teror The Kingdom, it says. Okay, what do I do? There am I. What is going on here? Okay, there's these little dudes here. Are they killing me? They are. How? I died. I think I died. Yes, I did. Okay, it's all very fascinating here. I'm dying. What's that little green goblin thing? Okay, so basically I just gotta avoid these guys. I died. Yeah, fire will kill you. Don't run through the fire. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, avoid the fire. Oh my. There's something to get. Can I get through here? No, I can't. So I won't go there. There's fire. I'm dead. Okay. I think I need to refresh myself. Fire Lord. Oh, avoid defeating ghosts while trading for objects. Alright. I guess I need to avoid the ghosts. Oh, you got that thing? Go out of there. Where am I? Get out of there. Where am I? Out of there. Oh, here. Get down. Where'd I go? Where am I? Oh, get away. Oh, the ghost got me. Okay. Just run. Just run. Run from... Oh, I guess I think I need that. How? Okay, I can pause the game. Right, I can pause the game. So there's fire. So maybe... Ooh, looky. Is that something I need? Maybe it's not. Why did I come all the way over for that? I paused the game. Alright, I have no idea why I'm here. Alright, I will go between the fire. I will go over here. I will come back here. Is that a good thing? Oh, no, that's not a good thing. Okay, get away from me. Get away from me, ghost. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me, ghost. Oh, I think that's something I should get. I'm dead. Get away from me, ghost. Okay, that's something I should get, and then I should run. Okay, get away from me, ghost. Get away from me, ghost. Run, 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 run. That's fire. And I don't think that's a good thing. Why would I want to go after that thing that's going to kill me? Maybe I'll go back here. Maybe I'll run through here. Get away from the ghost. Oh, the ghost got me. Run, 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 run. Why can't I get through these guys? Run. 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 Where am I? I don't know. Oh, there's a thing. I should get that. Run, 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 run. There's a thing. But it's no good to me. What's going on here? Oh no, get away from me, ghost. Okay, what was that thing? That looks like it could be something good. Maybe when it's not red. I don't know. What? What got me? Okay. That looks like something I should get and keep running. That looks like something I should get and keep running. At least the ghosts don't seem to be coming after me from room to room, wherever I am. I don't know where I'm going. Oh! I should get that thing. And I have to go. Ah! The fire got me. How do I get through? Well, maybe I don't. Okay. Let's go through here. Oh no. Oh, oh, whoa, 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 oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I can go in here. Pause. Alright. I have something now. What am I playing? Fire. Okay. When you enter buildings, you'll be able to barter. Select the product or service you want to buy with a joystick. Then select OK. Alright. I want that. Ah. Did it work? Oh, I see. Okay. Fine. Is that what I would like to get? What? So did I get that? Let's go back inside. I don't know what happened here. Well, I maybe did something. Oh dear, I shouldn't stand there. I need to run. Let's stay away from the ghouling things. Oh. Adventure score, 5%. The end. Feudal rating, peasant. Score, 79.70. Adventure score, 5%. What is that? Something. Oh, something found. 0. Yeah. This is going well. Well, I think I've had enough of this for now. Maybe I'll play a little bit more later. So thanks for coming. Bye for now.